All my doubts I give to Jesus. I have His gracious promise her. I shall never be confounded. I am trusting in that word. All my sins are laid on Jesus. He doth wash me in His blood. He will keep me pure and holy and will bring me home to God. All my fears I give to Jesus, rest my weary soul on Him. Though my baby hid in darkness, nor can His light grow dim. All my joys I give to Jesus. He is all I want of bliss. He of all the world's is master. He has all need in thee. All I am I give to Jesus, all my body, all my soul, all I have and all I hope for, while eternal ages roll.